Middle school math teacher, if you have been wondering what stations are and you've been hearing about how great it is, but thinking to yourself, what is this? Why should I care? How do I use this? I got you. Welcome to Stations 101. If we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin and I'm the creator of the Pre-Algebra Teachers Middle School Math Membership, your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach 6th, 7th, 8th grade and Algebra 1 math. If you are currently not using stations but are wanting to, are curious about it, have questions about it, this is the video for you. So let's talk about it. What are stations exactly? Well, in a nutshell, stations are small group instruction. And typically the small groups run between 15 and 30 minutes, and you can run stations every day if you want. You can run stations a few times a week. It's totally up to you. You do not need to run your stations every day. I don't. Okay. The biggest way to use stations is to review. We are never, and one of the biggest mistakes that I see teachers do using stations is to teach new concepts. This is a disaster waiting to happen. And if you've been thinking, ugh, stations feels like a dumpster fire waiting to happen, that's how it happens, is because teachers are using stations incorrectly, causing more chaos for themselves. So we are only using stations as a review mechanism. The number one reason to use stations, seriously, the number one most important reason, the thing that will change your classroom, the strategy that will really help close those learning gaps is to use stations, because you can really use stations to differentiate for your class without creating more work for yourselves. Like for yourself, you're already running your stations. It is not more work. It is never more work for you to differentiate while you're using stations. And that's why I love it so much. Join me for my free training where I'm going to be diving in and addressing concerns like there's no time to set up, gather materials, how do you keep kids accountable, what can your stations be, and let's get real about stations so that we can actively engage our students, allowing us to reach every single one of our learners. Join us for our free training right now. There's plenty of dates and times to choose from that will fit into your schedule, and I look forward to seeing you at our next training. Bye for now.